Okay, I'm gonna do my best. Hi, my name is Sabrina and I'm a part of not hair care. Okay, let me loosen up. I should know better. Hi guys, and welcome back to Ouai's YouTube channel. My name is Sabrina Porsche and I'm part of Mane Addicts Creators Collective, and I'm here to celebrate Black History Month. Today I'm going to recreate 4 looks to celebrate the history of black hair care. So follow along as I show you the different looks. Looks and things come back, you know, from back in the day. Like we're doing this style again, and this is something that we did when I was like 12. Or I didn't do this, but I saw other people doing this. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite look was in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to Ouai's YouTube channel for more. Bye guys. Adios. Yeah.
Wow, 4 looks.
4 looks, that's crazy.